2 years ago, I moved into this apartment with this couch that I've had since I was a junior in college. Today was the day that I finally got rid of it, but I also had to work, so I called Piece of Cake Movers to help me get rid of this couch. They went to my friend's house where I was picking up the couch from, they disassembled it, and then they brought it to me where they got rid of this couch for me. I didn't have to do that either, which was so nice and so helpful. I always feel really safe around the Piece of Cake Movers. I used them when I was moving from outside of Philadelphia into the city 2 years ago, so I knew not only was I going to have a great experience where all of my furniture was kept intact, but I also was going to feel safe, and that's huge for me. I'm obviously a female living in an apartment. You always want to feel safe with your movers, and these guys were the best. They put up with my antics of wanting to take these silly photos and videos. They used my service elevator. All I had to do was submit the COI request form thingy, which, they provided that for me, which was so lovely. I was so happy. I had been wanting a new couch so badly, and Piece of Cake made this experience so, so great. And here's the final product. Bye-bye.